Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about supplementary and complementary angles. As you've learned in a previous screencast, supplementary angles are angles that when added together equal 180 degrees, and complementary angles are angles that are added together to make 90 degrees. So using these definitions today, we are going to explore certain problems that involve supplementary angles and complementary angles. So let's take a look at our first. So here we have a diagram of a linear pair of angles, which are also supplementary angles. Angle CDB is equal to 115 degrees, and I'm charging you with finding the measure of angle CDA. So going off what we know about supplementary angles, we know that the measure of angle CDA plus 115 degrees is going to equal 180 degrees. So just to save some time, I'm going to label this angle CDA as x, and now I can set up my equation. So I know that x plus 115 degrees is going to give me 180. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of algebra and solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 115 degrees from both sides. And I get x equals 180 minus 115 degrees, which is 65 degrees. So the measure of angle CDA is 65 degrees. So that was an example of solving for supplementary angles. Let's take a look at a complementary angle problem. So here we have another diagram. This one's a little bit more complex. But looking at it, we are given that there is a 90-degree angle right down here, angle CFB, and we have a linear pair there, so that means that the other side is going to have to add up to 90 degrees as well. All right, so here we're going to use what we know about complementary angles to solve for angle AFG. So now we can take what we know about complementary angles and solve for angle AFG. So, once again, to save some space, I'm going to label angle AFG x. And now I know that x plus 67 degrees is going to be equal to 90 degrees because they're complementary angles. So once again, from here, it just becomes algebra. And I'm going to subtract 67 degrees from both sides. Minus 67 degrees, and I'm left with x equals 23 degrees. Alright, so now we've attacked a problem from a supplementary angle viewpoint and a complementary angle viewpoint. Let's try one on your own. So now we have a more complex diagram. We can use both supplementary angles and complementary angles and what we know of vertical angles to help solve this puzzle. So solve for x. Best of luck. Thank you for watching.